What's up everyone? Today I have another Airsoft video for you all from Sector 9 Airsoft in Hornsby, Tennessee. In today's video I will be using the Specna Arms Edge Series M4 AEG. This is specifically the Chaos Bronze SAE20 model. It's a stock gun and I gotta say it performed well. I really enjoyed my time with it. Also, the group of guys that we played with in today's video were all awesome, and a lot of them, it was their first time playing Airsoft. So it was a great day overall. We also did it in the afternoon compared to morning to afternoon. It started at about 3:30, which helped with keeping us all cool and playing the whole day. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Alright, I'll try to move up.
Hey, can I cross? You think you can make it?
Yeah, there's just one in the window.
Alright, I'm gonna cross right.
Yep. Hey, he's in the window. Watch the window. What's up, man? Good job.
I had John push left, I think someone said he's dead.
I got one in
We just gotta watch our back.
Life, so I'm just holding down right.
Yeah, me too. We just gotta make sure they don't come behind us.
Got one. Alright, we got one across the street at Bank. I think he's in that other one right now.
Yep.
Hey, hey, one grenade's gonna kill all of them.
That's true. You wanna go
I got
downstairs?
someone. Yeah.
Alright, we're going downstairs.
I killed somebody.
I'm dead.
I think I'm dead.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Good grenade.
Good nade.
Yep. How do I shoot it?
Yeah, boy.
If you can get farther right and like see their side, that'd help. There's someone directly to my left. can't tell if they're enemy or not. He's hit, whatever it was. Did I shoot you? Alright, I'm suppressing. Okay, yeah, I'm fogging a lot. I don't know how long I can stay here. Hit. Oh, my back. Oh. I'm on your team, man.
Oh shit, my bad.
Our other teammate's farther up that way.
That's my bad, I'm sorry.
No, you're good, man. It happens.